More dishwasher, clean light, blinking 7 times. This is the old dishwasher, like maybe 10 years old. Ask the owner, turn off the power, yeah, and he did it. Okay, I'm gonna disassemble the panel to reach the computer port somewhere here and see what happens. One of the relays bad. I don't know if the part available, but I'm feeling like about maybe $200 for the part or something. I'm joking, I need a boat to serve the customers on the Mercer Island because I'm living right across.